Welcome back, my people. Yes, welcome back. Here we have addition and subtraction of fractions. Like I promised in the last video, I said we are going to enter into addition and subtraction of fraction. Yes, the way you add whole numbers, when you have two whole numbers like 4 plus 5, this is just like a direct arithmetic addition. So 4 plus 5 will just give you 9. But does this apply to fractions? When you have 4 over 8 plus 5 over 12. Are you just going to say that the answer is 9 over, what will you do to this? 8 plus 12, that's 20. Is this what you are just going to say? This is wrong. So because fractions have rules, they have rules. So you cannot use the normal arithmetic addition to judge this. So we are going to take it as usual from the simplest. So let's start with fractions with the same denominators. Fractions with the same denominators. With the same denominators. So don't forget, denominator is the number at the bottom of a fraction. So when fractions have the same denominators, you can always add directly. So for example, if you have 5 over 11 plus 2 over 11. This is number 1. What do you observe about these two fractions? They have the same denominators. The denominator here is 11. And the denominator here is also 11. When fractions have the same denominator, don't waste your time. Just add the numerators directly. Do 5 plus 2, then give them only one of the two 11s. So give them only one denominator. So the answer here will be 5 plus 2, that is 7 over 11. And that is the final answer. You can see that it can be as easy as this sometimes. Very good. Now, if it is also subtraction in this case, so subtraction can also be done this way. Let's say we have 8 over 8 over 15 plus 4 over minus 4 over 15. So here we have same denominators. So all we just need to do, since they have the same denominators, I will just give them only one single denominator out of the two. Then I will subtract directly. That's 8 minus 4. What is 8 minus 4? That will give me 4 over 15. You can see how easy this can be most times. Very interesting. All right. Now, mind you, let's go a little bit further. Let's go a little bit further. Okay, wait, before I go further, it may not be just two fractions. It may be more than two fractions, like 3 or 4 fractions, or even 5 fractions. Let's say number 3, we have 4 over 9 plus 5 over 9 plus 7 over 9. So you can see we have 3 of them here. But one thing about them is that they all have the same denominators. So all we just need to do is to draw a long division sign. So put one of the 9s there. Then add all the numerator. This will be 4 plus 5 plus 7. So in this case, I'm going to have 4 plus 5, that is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16 over 9. So you may not leave your answer like this. You can try to write it in mixed fraction. I have taught that in the previous video. 9 and 16, that will just give me 1. Remember what? Remember 7 over 9. So that is 1 whole and 7 ninths. Very interesting. Good. So even if it is one addition and another subtraction, it's still the same thing. But let me do one example on that. Number 4, let's say we have 6 over 10 plus 3 over 10 minus 2 over 10. Very good. All I need to do is to draw my division sign, then division line, put one of the 10. So write all of this 6 plus 3 minus 2 directly. 6 plus 3. You can always do the addition part first. That's 6 plus 3. That will give me what? 9. Then 9 minus 2, that will give me 7 out of 10. It's as simple as that. A lot of questions like this can be so simple like this. Now, however, there are some questions that even still on this. Let me do one more question. Number 5. Let's say we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Yes. And then number 6, we have 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8. So look at this. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. All I need to do is to pick one of the two. Then I will add 1 plus 1 to give me 2 over 2. Now, you don't want to leave your answer like this, right? You will say you want to divide. So this is 2 divided by 2. You divide a number by itself, the answer will be 1. So don't be surprised that how come the answer here is 1, no longer a fraction. It's possible like that. Anything can happen. So I'm trying to consider every possibility that you can have. Just be learning it the way I'm arranging it. Alright? So let's go to the next one. Here too, I will just pick one of the 8 and say 3 plus 1. So give me 4 over 8. 4 over 8 can be reduced. Of course, you know that 4 can divide this once, 4 can divide this twice. So that means I'll have 1 over 2. So the final answer here will be 1 out of 2. Very, very interesting. You can see how easy questions can be. Alright, now let us go to whole numbers added to fraction. So, for example, if you have a question like, I will start with, okay, let me claim this, adding fractions to a whole number. So, how do we add fractions to whole numbers? So, for example, number 1, we have 1 plus 3 over 5. This is what I have. This is as easy as just removing the plus. Yes, I just removing the plus and say 1 whole number, 3 over 5. This is the answer. Yeah, but don't think this will work for subtraction. Be careful. If it is subtraction, don't think that. So this is just 1 whole number, 3 over 5. So let me show you where this is coming from. So some people might decide to use this method, 1 plus 3 over 5. Now, look at the denominator here. This is 5, right? I look for a way that I can rewrite my 1 considering this denominator. How can I rewrite this 1 so that 5 will be involved? So I can write 1 as 5 over 5. 5 over 5 is the same as 1. Yes. So this will now be plus 3 over 5. Okay. Now I can add. So 5 plus 3, that will give me 8 over, pick one of the denominator. That's 8 over 5. So this is the answer. But you can convert this back to this. So how many 8 can I, how many 5 in 8? That's just once. Remember what? Remember 3 over 5. You can see how easy it is. So this is what led us to this. So that means for a smart student, so a smart student will just go straight and remove the plus and just say this is 1 over. Similarly, if it is even not 1, if the number is not 1, let's say 3 plus 8 over 11. Just remove the, just have 3 whole number, 8 over 11. And if you follow, and if you try to follow this method, it will still work. Or 3 plus 8 over 11. Now, how can I write this 3 in a way that 11 will be involved? All you just need to do is multiply 3 by 11. That will give you 33 over, put 11 under it. So 33 over 11 will still give you 3. 33 divided by 11 will give you 3. So then add the 8 over 11. If you add 33 plus 8, that will give you 41 over 11. If you try converting back, that will give you 3 whole number, 8 over 11. So you can see that for somebody that is very smart, you just go straight from the question to the answer. But if you want to show, if you want to have more steps, like you want to get more steps, because mathematics is about step, so you can go through the process like this. Okay, so that is how easy it can be. In fact, some people can even do it like this. So if you have 3 plus 8 over 11, all you just need to do is to do 3 times 11, so that will give you what? 33. Then add the 8 straight plus 8, then put over 11. Just do 11 times 3 plus 8. 11 times 3, that's 33 plus 8. I'll just give you that. So finally, I will have what? 41 over 11, which will still later result to 3 whole number, 8 over 11. Any of the method you have chosen, all is welcomed. So you just have to be smart, depending on the kind of exam that you are doing. If you are doing objective exam, you need shortcuts, you need speed. But if you are doing theory, you will need more steps. So let's take it a little bit further. So let's see subtraction of fraction from a whole number. When you are subtracting a fraction from a whole number, subtracting fractions from a whole number. So for example, if you have 1 minus 3 over 8. This is what we have. Now, don't think you just remove the minus. Oh, no, we don't do that for subtraction. Oh, don't try it. Oh, it's dangerous. So all you need to do, if you want to use a trick, like you just want to go straight to the point without wasting any step, just do 8 minus 3. What is 8 minus 3? That will give you 5. Then put over the 8. So this is the answer. So for somebody that wants to just go straight to the point. Now, another method. 1 minus 3 over 8. All you just need to do is to write this one in terms of 8. Like I told you, say 8 over 8 minus what? 3 over 8. And this will give you 8 minus 3 over 8. This will now be 5 over 8. You see how easy mathematics can be. Very interesting. So next, you can still have another way. So if you use the third method, you can still go like say 1 minus 3 over 8. Just do 8 times 1 minus 3. 8 times 1, that is 8. Then subtract 3 and put over 8. The answer will just be what? 5 over 8. You can see how easy a job like this can be. So very interesting. So, but mind you, if this is not 1, the same thing, the same process still applies. Let me make this number 1 and make this number 2. Very good. So if I have something like 5 minus 4 over 9. So the same process still applies. So you can simply just do 5 times 9, then minus. So if you are using this last method. But if you want to use this second method, you have to do 5 times 9. Okay? Let's do 5 times 9. So that will be what? 45 minus the 4. Then divide by 9. 45 minus that will be 41 over 9. So you don't want to leave your answer like this. You can just say this is how many 9 in 41? That will be 4 whole number. Remainder 5 over 9. That's 4 wholes and 5 nines. So that is very easy when you are converting decimals, when you are subtracting fractions from a whole number. Now, however, you can be faced with this challenge when you have fractions with the same denominators, but this type of fraction now are mixed fraction. So adding mixed fractions together. Okay, sorry, adding and subtracting mixed fractions. Adding and subtracting mixed fractions. So mixed fraction with the same denominators. Okay, sorry, let me just clean this. The topic will be too long like that. So same denominators, that's what we are starting with. So those ones with the same denominator, but they are mixed fraction. Let's go with that. So if we have 3 whole number 1, 4 over 5, plus 5 whole number, 2 over 5. So what do you observe here? We are having same denominators, but this is mixed fraction. So in a simple way, without wasting time, you can first of all add the whole number part and say this is 3 plus 5. Put it in brackets. Then I'll add the fraction part together as 4 over 5 plus 2 over 5. 4 over 5 plus 2 over 5. So first, what is 3 plus 5? That will give me 8. Plus 4 over 5 plus 2 over 5. That will just give me 6 over 5. Now, at this junction, you want to add 8 plus 6 over 5. I have done examples on this. But mind you, you can still make it easier for yourself. This is an improper fraction, 6 over 5. You can change it to mixed fraction. Keep the 8 plus, how can you convert it? This will be 1 whole number, 1 over 5. Finally, don't waste time again. Just do 8 plus 1. So 8 plus this 1, not this 1. 8 plus this particular one, this whole number. So you add 8, because 8 is a whole number. Add it to the whole number part. 8 plus 1, that will give me 9. But this one still remains as 1 over 5. So this is the answer to this. You can see how easy it is. Easy peasy. Very, very easy. Now, even if it is subtraction, you can follow the same process. If you have 8 whole number, 3 over 11, minus 2 whole number, 4 over 11. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me say this is 9 over 11, and this is 4 over 11. So I don't want to put you inside problem. The question that I formulated before is a big problem for your level now. So now let's see how we can do this. We can follow the same process of 8 minus 2 in brackets. Now, how can I connect the whole number part with the decimal or the fractional part? I'll put plus. Then I'll open another bracket for 9 over 11 minus 4 over 11. Okay? Plus must be the one between. But if you are subtracting the fraction, you use minus. Good. What is 8 minus 2? That is 6. Plus 9 minus 4, that is 5 over 11. So 6 plus 5 over 11, that's 6 whole number, 5 over 11. This is, you can see how easy this can be. Very, very easy. Now, if you have 3 fractions together, so you can still do the same thing. Let's say this is number 3, but this time around I want to combine addition and subtraction. Let's say we have 2 whole number, 4 over 5, minus 3 whole number, 2 over 5, plus 6 whole number, 1 over 5. Okay, now, like I always say, always do the addition first. So, though doing it directly may not be a problem sometimes, but this time around, this will be a problem. So you can rearrange the question anyhow you want it. Rearrange it, bring this together. This is positive. 2 whole number, 4 over 5 is positive. This is also positive. Bring them together. I have 2 whole number, 4 over 5. Add this. 6 whole number, 1 over 5. Then later subtract this, 3 whole number, 2 over 5. So I have rearranged it in a way that it will be very good for me. So from here, I am going to take all the whole numbers together. That's 2 plus 6 plus, minus 3. Minus 3 in bracket. Then I'll put plus, so the fraction part, 4 over 5 plus 1 over 5, then minus 2 over 5. Close the bracket. So now, 2 plus 6, that will give me 8. Then 8 minus 3, that will give me 5. Plus, this time around, 4, these are fractions with the same denominators. I will just put them together. So this will give me 5. This is 4 plus 1 minus 2. So from here, I will have 5. So if you remove the plus, no problem. So 4 plus 1, that's 5. 5 minus 2, that is 5 minus 2, that's 3. So that's 5 whole, 3 over 5. 5 whole number, 3 over 5. So you can see how easy this can be. So very, very easy. So fractions with different denominators is what we need to now consider. So I might not need to do that one in this particular video so that the videos will not be too long. So meet me in the next. That means we'll have part 2 for addition and subtraction of fractions. So meet me in the next video. We are going to consider that. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. God bless you. My name is Sheikh Ridwanullah Abu Bakr. I am an online mathematics and science tutor. Enjoy yourself.